Hey, did you notice that the accounting department lost internet?
It's DNS. It's always DNS, you nerd.
Come on, you haven't even looked at it yet.
I don't have to. It's always DNS. Log into the server that's doing the forwarding and check if the public DNS servers are available.
Will do.
Good job, Nerd 1. I'm surrounded by incompetence.
Hey, boss, you hear the internet's down for accounting?
I know it's DNS, you nerd.
Wow, boss, you are a genius.
Yeah, I know.
I just checked, and Cloudflare and Google DNS are working just fine.
Trust me, it's DNS. How long have you worked here?
2 years.
Have I ever been wrong?
Well, yeah.
Am I wrong now?
Well, probably.
You're not a team player. I'm sending you to HR for sensitivity training.
Wait, what kind of training?
Harassment.
How have I harassed you?
You're clearly staring at me in a creepy way.
LinkedIn, here I come again.
Hey, boss, you want me to check anything?
Yes, I want you to go to Nerd 1's desk and dump all his files on the floor and take over his desk. You have been promoted from Nerd 2 to Nerd 1.
Woo, yes, my dream job.
Oh, look at that. The access point for accounting's down. I guess it wasn't DNS. I'll just restart it.
Hey, boss, accounting just said they're back online.
Yeah, it was DNS, just like I said, nerd.